Do you know which plant is producing more oxygen than any other plants? Yes, today we are going to talk about one plant which is producing a lot of oxygen for your home. We are also going to repot that plant, and we are also going to expose that plant after 2 weeks later as an update into this single video. Before we start, if you are new to this YouTube channel, then please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video for more. New babies are there, so need a bigger space for them. Had stone, bone meal, charcoal as main pillar for the potting mix. Stones for the base layer to filter water, along with some charcoal, and which charcoal will hold water. Then adding soil mix which I has made earlier with the general soil and compost mix. Giving a little portion of bone meal layer to strengthen the mixture. Right now mixing it in right way will not impact any imbalance of media. Time to pull out the plant from a compact zone. Slightly pinching with a knife will help slightly. And pulling out the plant to take it out from the jar. That will be easy to pull out. Just checking the root if they has any problems. Seems it looks like they are all looks healthy as they've been in water for a long time. Slightly putting the main plant into bigger pot and filter with the soil. Looks so beautiful, yeah? We'll keep you all waiting for next 2 weeks to show you an update, as we always try to do real things so people can get help. After 2 weeks later, it really looks in a good condition and growing well. So this is the update you have seen so far. This is after 2 weeks later. The plant looks like more healthy and strong. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, please make sure you comment below. If you have any questions, I will be there right back by next weekend.